Hello human bodies. Welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. This video is about how to convert any photo to a pencil sketch using Photoshop. So let's begin. As you can see, I have already imported a photo in my Photoshop. Now press Ctrl and J button on your keyboard to create a duplicate layer from the background layer. After that, go to Image, then Adjustment, and then Hue and Saturation. Now reduce the saturation fully and click OK button. After reducing the saturation, the photo is black and white now. Now go to Filter, then Other, and then High Pass. Adjust the high pass slider as your need. Click OK button. Go to Filter again, and then Filter Gallery. Now expand the artistic, and then select Poster Etch. You can play with this 3 sliders to make the photo look more like pencil sketch. I think it's good enough, so click OK button. Now press Ctrl and L button to open the level adjustment window. Now move the middle slider to the left side, it will lose some details from the image. Click OK button. Now go to Image, then Adjustment, and then Brightness and Contrast. Increase the contrast fully. Click OK button. And it's done. Now the photo has been converted to a pencil sketch. It was very easy. Here it's before and after. Please subscribe this channel for more interesting tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.